What if I told you that getting the 8,000 watch hours requirement is actually easy? And I'll prove that to you right now. Take a look at my screen. This is just one single video, and I was able to get 2K watch hours from just one single video. If you take a look at this video too, I was able to get 2.8K watch hours from just one single video. If you take a look at this video also, I was able to get 3.4K watch hours from just one single video. Now, if you add the watch hours from these three videos, they are more than 8,000 watch hours. So 8,000 watch hours with just three videos. And you only need a simple trick. And in this video, I'm going to show you this trick. Once you apply it step by step, trust me, it is going to work for you. The first step we are going to take is that we will go to Google. We are going to search for a certain tool, and that tool is what will help us to get the watch hours. This is what you need to understand. You see, on YouTube, before you can get watch hours, right, you need to get more views. You understand? But the problem is how to get the more views, because once you have more views, automatically you have more watch hours. This tool I'm going to show you is going to help us get more views, and then in return we will get our watch hours. I hope it is clear. All right. So once you come to Google, what you're going to do is that you are going to search for this tool called viralmonetize.com. So take a look at the spelling so that you don't make a mistake. All right. I'll be leaving the link in the description as well. So you click on it right here, the first link you're going to see. Yes, then it's going to bring you to this particular page. You're going to come to this section that says tools, right? So you click on tools, then you scroll a little bit down. Now you are going to find this tool here. It is called Nextlev. This is the tool that is going to do the magic for us. Click on it right here. Yes. Once you click on it, this is the interface of the tool. This is how it looks like. All right. You click on sign up, right? Great. Once you click on sign up, you come to the monthly section here, right? Now, this tool has a free version and a paid version. Yes, now I have tried the free version before and I don't really get the result I want. And I tried the paid version and I got the result I wanted. I got more views and more watch hours. You understand? What we are going to do is that we are going to use the paid version. However, there's a promo code, so there is no need to worry if you don't have money. You click on get access now, right? Great. So once you click on get access now, it's going to bring you to this page to make payments. You understand? I'm going to give you a promo code. You are going to pay 42 euros, right? So use this promo code and you're going to get 20% discount. So you enter this promo code Prince20 and then you click on apply, right? Right. So once you click on apply, you're going to see that the price will reduce to 33.6 euros. And then you enter your card info and then you click and make payment. All right. So after successfully making your payment, this is the interface you are going to see. This is the page you are going to see. All right. Now we are going to use three tools here. The first tool is going to give you a fair idea of how the tool works. The second tool is going to help you to get more views, right? And the third tool is going to help you to get more watch hours. Come to this section here that says Chrome extension, right? Click on Chrome extension. Great. Now, once you click on Chrome extension, and then you come to this section here that says channel tools. You click on it right here. Then you scroll a little bit down. You are going to see similar channels. So click on similar channels. Great. Now, once you click on similar channels, what you are going to do here is that you are going to enter your YouTube channel name. What this tool is going to do is that it is going to scan the entire YouTube system. There are billions of channels on YouTube, right? It's going to scan those billions of channels and find those channels that are doing what you are also doing, right? And then it is going to pick the channels that are actually been performing well in your niche. Give those channels to you so that you can keep track of those channels, right? All right, so I'm going to enter my channel name Prince Siama, right? Then once you enter the channel name, you click on search. Click on it here, you scroll a little bit down, then click on next, right? Great. This is how it looks like. Now, if you're a long form creator, you're gonna leave it here. If you're into YouTube Shorts, you come here. You understand? The next thing we want to do is that you can either choose in-depth search or quick search. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use in-depth search. Once you've done that, you're just going to click on find similar. Now let's wait as it's scanning YouTube. Yes, it is done. It has been able to find 100 similar channels that are doing what we are also doing. Now let's take a look at it. It has been able to scan YouTube to find channels that are doing what I'm doing, those I know and those I don't even know. You understand? And it also shows you the number of views of the channels that are performing well, that we are going to follow them in order to get more views to get our watch hours, right? All right, so now let's put this aside and then let's go to the next feature that is going to help us to get more views. After that, we look at the feature that will help us to get watch hours consistently. All right, what we're going to do next is that you'll come to this down here, right? And then we are going to see niche overview. So we click on niche overview. The same thing, you're going to enter your YouTube channel name, Prince Isiama, right? And then you click on search. Good. Then you click your name and then you scroll down a little bit. You click on next. Right. Let's see what is happening here. It is also scanning YouTube to find channels that have more views. Perfect. Now you can see that it has been able to scan the YouTube system and has found 514 viral videos in my niche. Now, when a video goes viral, there is 90 to 100% chances that when you also make a video on the same topic, you are also going to go viral. And that is the purpose of this tool, to help us find videos that have gone viral so that we can make a similar video and we can also go viral. I hope it is clear. All right, so if I scroll down here, you're going to see that this video, this lady had 500 plus views just 1 year ago, 500k views. See this one, 2.6 million views. See this one recently, 81k views. And all you need to do is that you need to do two things. Okay, so first of all, you need to track these channels. Okay, you need to put their names in mind. Okay, and secondly, you need to recreate their videos. Okay, all right, and you can also just export this whole file so that you can have their name somewhere. Okay, so let's export this file. We will come back to it later because we are going to use their channel names for the tracking so that we can get the watch hours consistently. Okay, so I've downloaded this file. All right, now we'll be moving on to the third section, which is going to give us more watch hours consistently. But before that, this is how you are going to copy a video that you feel it has gone viral. So for instance, I tried one of the videos and it worked for me. So you see this video, I tried this video. So now let me go to my YouTube channel. See this video, I got 5.9k views, right? Look at the title, it is about subscribers, right? And look at the thumbnail, look at the style of the thumbnail, and look at this lady's thumbnail. You can see the video is about subscribers, and if you look at the thumbnail and you compare it to my thumbnail, you can see that it is very similar. I was talking about subscribers, this lady was also talking about subscribers, and in the video I actually taught what the lady was teaching about, and she got 20k views and I got 5.9k views, which is not bad at all. This shows that this tool actually works. So in order to also do that, all you have to do is that once you have seen the video here and you're interested in, all you have to do is to simply just click on the video, right? It will take you to YouTube. Just watch this whole video to have a fair idea. Once you have a fair idea of the video, you recreate it and then you make a similar thing. I've already made a video about how to go over some of these things, so you can watch this video right here. I went into details how to recreate someone's video, how to use the same title, how to use the same description. Yeah, so I don't want to go deeper into that one. So you simply use the same title, you simply use the same description, but make a few changes. I've already talked about it in this video. This video is just to show you how to fish out those viral videos so that you can get more watch hours. All right, so that is it. So that is what you will be using for any viral video here. So any viral video here, all you have to do is to just click on it, go and watch and understand, use similar thumbnail, similar title, similar description, and you are going to get more views, and in return you get the watch hours. So now let's look at the final part, which is going to help us get more watch hours consistently. In order to get more watch hours consistently, you need to track the channels. What I mean by you need to track the channels is that you need to monitor them very well, so that anytime they post, you go and see the video first, and then if it is something you can recreate, you recreate it. So in order to do that, you come back to dashboard here, and then in dashboard you come to this section here that says niche finder. So you click on niche finder, then you come to the section that says channel, right? Once you come to channel, you scroll a little bit down, you are going to see channel tracker. So you click on channel tracker. Great. So once you click on channel tracker, you can see that I am already tracking about 1, 2, 3, 4 channels here. Now, the reason I'm tracking these channels is that anytime they post and the video goes viral, I see it in my tool here. So I don't even need to go to YouTube looking for them. I already have them here, always tracking them. I hope it is clear. So in order to track them, all you have to do is to enter the channel name right here. So now remember that we exported a certain file, right? Now we have the channel names already. So for instance, I want to track this channel. So all I have to do is to have the channel name already. So I just copy it and then come back to my tool. You can simply type it, or you can just copy and paste. So and then I'll click on search channel, right? The channel has popped up. All I have to do is to click on the plus sign right here. Let's see what's going to happen. Great, channel has been added to the trackers. Let's see. All right, this channel has been added, you understand, and data will be available in an hour time. You get me? Yes. What you have to do is that anytime you wake up in the morning, all you have to do is simply come to this section here that says channel tracker, and you have a list of channels that are going to give you your 4,000 watch hours. The reason why I'm saying it's going to give you your 4,000 watch hours is that, for instance, let's say it's in the morning, I've come to channel tracker and I want a video to recreate. All I will do is to, let me use this as an example. So let me come to this lady's channel. All I'll do is to just click on this particular video here. So once I click on it, to bring you directly to YouTube. So all I have to do is to just recreate this video. You get your watch hours. All right, now one final thing is, apart from this method, I also have another method that can get to 4,000 watch hours in just 7 to 21 days, and I have 2 offers for it. So in order to get access to those offers right now, if you check the description of this video you are watching right now, I have 2 offers where, for instance, once you click on the link in my description, it's going to bring you to this page. So if you want me to personally work on your YouTube channel to get you 4,000 watch hours in 7 to 21 days, it is $150. All you have to do is to click on this link here, right? And then you come here and you make payments. It will bring you directly into my DM and we can get started. Or if you want the step-by-step course too, you just click on this one right here, and then you make payments. You are going to get access to the course. It is a video course where you watch, you follow the guide step by step, and you are going to get your watch hours. All right, now if you check my screen, these are some of the channels that I have worked on. This one, I was able to get this channel over 2,000 watch hours in less than 7 days. So this channel, I was able to help this channel get to over 4,000 watch hours in less than 14 days. This channel too, I was able to help him get over 3,000 watch hours in less than 14 days. Even though it is 7 to 21 days, most people even get it as low as 3 days. So if this is something you are interested in, place an order directly, or you can also contact me, you understand, and get your 4,000 watch hours before 2027. All right, now thanks for watching. My name is Prince. If you want to have more idea about how to get the 4,000 watch hours, then you need to watch this video right here, and it's really going to help you. See you another time. Goodbye.